called Edit Pro. It's where I teach you how to become a successful creator on YouTube. This means editing tricks and tips. I will mainly be doing this. I am using an iPad 7th generation. But if you have a laptop or computer or even Android, it's going to be fine. So hope you can come along for the ride. And let's go. Okay, the editing trick I'm doing today is make item fly down from the screen. Even animate these items. So you're going to need the editing software. I'm using iMovie. And you're going to need Keynote. This video is best for Apple products. Also bring a snack along the way. Okay, so go to your search engine and type whatever you want to come down from the screen. And the background needs to be transparent, which means the background is see-through. So type up whatever you want, then transparent, then save to photos. Go into Keynote and make a new presentation. I use the white, then delete the text. Once done that, change the background to a green screen. Add your items. Drag them to the bottom of the screen. Select the item and animate it. Tap Build in the new and choose the one that you want, but if you want it to fall from the screen, then choose Drop. Do these for all of your pictures. Then go into Presentation mode. Screen record the item falling from the top.
Chopper on standby.
Reloading! Cover me!
Enemy UAV spotted. UAV online. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Stealth chopper inbound.
Sniper!